Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ken, and I'm here to do an unboxing of this uh, United Airlines Boeing 737-900ER from NG Models. So first, I'm going to start off with the box. Yeah, and also this is a brand new unboxing. I haven't even seen the model yet, so I'm very excited to do this unboxing live and to get my first reaction along with you guys. So first off, here's the front of the box, then here's the bottom, here's the right side, the top, then the left side, then here is the back of the NG Models box, and you can pause it to read all of the specs and stuff. Alright, now you have to say that this box is a very nice box. Okay, so let's see, to get on with the unboxing. Just bear with me. Yeah, I forgot how much NG likes to pack the models in. Alright, so here she is. Here's the model in the plastic cradle or cocoon, and she looks to be in perfect shape. Alright, so let me just adjust the camera a little bit to get a good viewing angle. And what I like to do is open the models up with the with the bottom facing up, because I found it that for me it's a little bit easier. So yeah, let me see, get the plastic off, turn the model right side up, and here she is. Wow, and she is looking very good, very beautiful, and nothing seems to be broken on it, so that's good. Yeah, and I won't be doing a review of the model just yet, but I'll let you take a look around. So there's the model from the left side. Yeah, and maybe I'll just stop talking so that you guys can really appreciate the model. I'll get a good view of the cockpit if I can. I'll zoom out. And yeah, don't mind my fingers. Here's a view of the tail. Yeah, so overall it's a very nice model. NG has done a very nice job on it. I'm glad I got it. I've seen a lot of reviews on this model, and that's why I kind of decided to get my own. And yeah, the video reviews don't do this model justice, because this model is a lot nicer in person. So that's all I'm going to say. This is a very gorgeous model, and I'm glad I got it. And this makes my second 737 model in the collection. Alright, with that said, No, I hope you guys have a good day, and just be happy, stay safe, and also stay healthy. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day, and bye.